And we're back to learning Inkscape, and this time I'm going to show you how to create your own pattern. There are a couple of issues with this function that I've got, but let me first show you how it's done. I've got a simple pattern created from rectangles right here. The snapping is enabled. I give these rectangles different colors. And I select it all and press Ctrl G to group it. On the object I go to fill and stroke. Now I'll create a circle holding Shift and Ctrl. I'll select my rectangle group. And here under fill I've got this pattern function, and there are some default inbuilt patterns in Inkscape. But we want to turn this into a new pattern and then apply it to the circle. Make sure that your rectangle group is selected, Object, Pattern and Objects to Pattern. And now the fill has automatically jumped to pattern 3472, which is now this pattern that we've created. Let me select the circle under fill, I click on pattern, and there it is, pattern 3472. With the nodes tool you can reposition the pattern within the circle. And you can already see one of the issues that I've got with this function. The size of the circle in relation to the pattern makes the difference. So if I size the circle up, it looks a little bit different. And still you can drag it around with the nodes tool. You can also apply this pattern to the stroke. So if I create a new circle, I get rid of the fill with the X right here. And then the stroke style, I make it a little bit thicker, maybe like 50. I'm gonna stroke paint this time, pattern, and then use the pattern 3472. And again, with the nodes tool you can reposition that. You can see that the rectangle group that we've used for the pattern has its own pattern applied now as well as a fill. So I can reposition that here once more with the nodes tool. As I've said, it's not the best function. I think that Adobe Illustrator has solved that a little bit better, but it's there and it might save some time here and there, so it's worth trying it. And Inkscape is for free, so I don't want to complain too much. And this is the process of creating your own custom patterns in Inkscape. I hope this video was helpful, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.